Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation. As we sink into surrender and communicate with our highest selves, allow the time spent here to be intentional, sacred. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into meditation. Settling in, finding a comfortable position. And begin to close your eyes. Allow the world around you to fade into the background. This time is yours. This space is sacred. Let yourself arrive fully with a deep breath in and out. Let's take 3 deep breaths together, each one drawing you deeper into a state of relaxation. Inhale, filling your body with light, and exhale, releasing all that does not serve you. Inhale, feeling yourself opening up, and exhale, letting go. Once more together, breathing in peace and breathing out any tension, any resistance. And now simply allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. Imagine now that you're standing in a beautiful forest at twilight. The light is soft and the air feels sacred, filled with a quiet, ancient energy. Around you, tall trees stand like silent guardians, their branches reaching towards the sky. The ground beneath you is soft, supportive, and you feel deeply connected to this land, to the earth. As you look around, you notice a path appear before you. You can't see exactly where it leads, but something within you knows this path is meant for you. There's a pull, an invitation from deep within, calling you to follow this journey, to surrender, to trust. Take a gentle step forward, letting your feet sink into the earth as you walk. Each step brings you closer to yourself, deeper into your knowing. Feel the support of the ground beneath you, grounding you with each step, guiding you forward. Soon, you find yourself approaching a clearing a quiet, peaceful space where light seems to glow with a gentle radiance. You feel safe here, supported, open. In the center of this clearing, there is a soft mat or cushion, a perfect place for you to sit and connect. As you take a seat, you feel the energy of the space surrounding you, wrapping you in warmth and peace. Allow yourself to rest here, to be fully present in this moment. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your awareness begin to shift inward, turning toward your heart space, that center of intuition, truth, and guidance within you. Imagine a soft golden light glowing in your heart, expanding with each breath. Allow this light to fill you, to reach every part of your being. Feel its warmth, its wisdom, and its love. This light is your connection to your higher self, the part of you that is always connected to divine guidance, always aligned with truth. In this space, your higher self comes forward, a presence of calm, wisdom, and peace. Feel them close, a part of you, and yet greater than you, holding a vast knowing and unconditional love. Take a few breaths as you commune with this presence, letting yourself be open to any messages, sensations, or feelings that come. You might hear words, see images, or simply feel a deep sense of peace. Whatever arises, know that it is perfect for you in this moment. Let yourself listen and receive. Now gently ask your higher self to show you how to surrender, how to trust the unknown. Let them guide you into that feeling of release, that feeling of peace in letting go. Trust that as you release, they are here, guiding you every step of the way. Feel yourself soften. Feel the weight of control, of needing to know, simply melt away. Imagine yourself leaning back, allowing your higher self to take the lead, to hold you and guide you. You are safe. You are supported. And you are loved. Take a moment to sit in this presence, to let your higher self communicate, whether through words, images, or a simple feeling. Know that this connection is always here, always within you. Now take a deep breath and feel gratitude for this moment, for this communion with your higher self. Thank them for their guidance, for walking this path with you. As you begin to bring your awareness back to the present, know that you carry this connection with you, this light of your higher self, guiding you always. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself back into your physical body. When you're ready, take one final deep, anchoring breath. Let it be a breath of trust, of surrender, of peace. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning fully to the present moment, feeling refreshed, connected, and deeply aligned with the guidance within you. Thank you for taking this journey. May you carry this trust, this surrender into all that lies ahead. Namaste.